So I have an idea here this is one of those fairly iconic locations for the location I'm at. This is Cape Disappointment State Park in Washington State. And that's a really common composition that we see here. And so I was walking by it and I thought, what if I could do a long exposure here? And obviously it's, late afternoon, almost early evening, late afternoon, sunset's in about 2.5 hours. And I just thought, if I could do a long exposure, it'd be cool. So I got out the tripod, and now I think I'm ready to try this and see how it works. So here, let's just do this together here. See if I can do two things at once. I'm gonna come right back. Well, it may not work. I may fail in public here, but even with the ND filter, as dark as it goes, and this is a 10-stop filter, and at f22, I can only go to about a half a second. There you can see. To get a proper exposure, I can probably push it a little bit, but I was hoping to get a couple of seconds just to even out that water, but I don't think it's going to happen. I'll continue to experiment here, and I'll show you the result nonetheless, just make this a learning experience for all of us. But I could come back a little later or wait till the sun goes down a little bit, or come back in the morning. I might try a sunrise here. It goes back to that last video. If the conditions aren't right, look around, see if you can find a different composition, or wait till morning, wait till the light changes. It might just be a little too bright here. Also, another no-no is that I'm shooting with my strap on. I'm using my ADD strap just because I have it, but this is the 5D Mark IV. But I have the strap on and it's windy, and so that can ruin your exposure, especially when you're doing a longer exposure. So it's like a sail, so it's a good thing to take that off if you can. I'm not going to bother right now. And then don't touch your tripod. I made that mistake already. I hit the shutter and I grabbed the tripod just thinking I was going to give it stability, but I didn't. I always have a little shake. I think we all do. Just a little shake, and that translates. So don't touch your tripod. Make sure it's secure. Obvious, but sometimes I do dumb things. Okay, the last thing that makes this a dumb idea is the wind. All of these plants are moving back and forth, so I don't know what I'm thinking. Like a long exposure of 10 seconds, it's going to be blurry anyway, but I'm just obsessed with this little composition. But I don't know if there's a way to do it long exposure currently. I would need less wind and less light, but I'll show you what I got, if anything. I'll show you what I got no matter what. All right, we may have something that's going to work here. I got it to 4 seconds at f22. I really dialed down that ND filter though, and this is not a super expensive one, so it'll get some haloing that I'll have to deal with and just see if I like it or not. The shot on camera looks, I can't see it, but it looks something like that. The sky isn't quite as blown out as it looks on the screen there, but I don't know, it might be something to play with and something to look at. Ideally, I'd come back at different lighting conditions, but you can see it's a pretty nice composition, pretty cool. I'm shooting vertically. I think I'll switch and do some horizontal too.